Hi, class. Good morning. Have one person. Okay. Ooh, and my computer's like that. Okay. I hope my computer sustains this because I'm not fully charged, which is irresponsible. Anyway, so today, let's go ahead and, oh, did I say good morning, class? Good morning, class. Good morning. Thank you. All right. So, we have page 28 to do.
Yes.
Numbers 15 through 42.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go ahead and let's go over the answers. Remember, we do not erase. We cross them out and put the correct answer next to it. Number one. Number two, circle anything you have a question on, and we can go through it. We're going through the homework. So you either have your math notebook open, or if you already submitted on Google Classroom, you're looking at that, which I know you don't have your phone. So. All right. Hi, Malachi. What is Leggy? Is it Leggy? Laggy? What, does he have a nickname? Oh, okay. Is he?
His nickname is
Oh, oh, what he says is, oh, it's laggy. Oh, the video. Sorry. Say what? Sorry. Try to bear with me. Okay. Let's go through number 15. What did we get for number 15?
40. I got 40.
40. No. Oh my God. Okay, circle whatever you have a question on. All right, number 16.
50.
50. Number 17.
50.
50. 50. 50. Number, watch your mouth. Number 18.
250.
250. Number 19.
640.
640. Number 20.
360.
360. Number 21.
108.
108. Number 22.
168.
168. Number 23. 426. Number 24.
188.
Number 25.
130.
Number 26.
125.
Number 27.
372.
372. Oh, 26 was 125. Number 28.
147.
147. 29.
328.
328. Number 30.
188.
188. Number 31.
40.
Number 32.
200.
Number 33.
622.
60. Number 34.
488.
480. Number 35.
198.
198. Number 36.
420.
Say what now?
420.
420. And you at home can actually also type in a number that you would like for me to go over. Number 30, 420. And next time, please raise your hand to ask a question. You're gonna shout out. Number 37.
188.
Say what?
111.
111. Number 38.
440.
440. Number 39.
70.
70. Number 40.
71.
70. Number 41.
70.
70. Number 42,
175.
175. Woo, woo. All right, the next one we're going over is the properties. The properties, this page, because you guys did not do it, so I said to go home and, get it done. Player, please, follow along. Follow along. All right. So we're identifying the properties that is being displayed. Yes, sir. It was online. It is online, not just was, but is. So you had access to it this whole time as I'm posting. Every day. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't have this because I was absent or whatever. It's no longer an excuse, because guess what? I posted, you always have access to it. I'm happy that you're home. And not only that, but you were, all right. So for number one, what property? Associative. Number two, commutative. Number three, distributive. I can't hear you, Louise. Number four, commutative. Number five, still can't hear you, sir. Number six, associative. Number seven, commutative. And y equals 16. Number 8, associative. N equals 3. Need you guys to talk now. Number 9, distributive. A equals 11. Good job. Number 10. Number 10, distributive. B equals, you guys have great hearing to hear Riley answer and repeat after her. Where would you guys be if you were to not come in for a day to give you guys the answers to yell out after her? Where would you be? Good morning, Malachi. Hi, Renaya. All right, so we just went over the answers to this worksheet. And we did the back of it. Yes, ma'am. So now for the questions. So, oh, wow, okay. I don't know, I'm looking forward to all this, I got a lot. Okay, so in the book, we're going to do in the book first. In the book. What number in the book? Number 40. Number what? 40. Number 40, what else? Say what? 41? What are the number? Is that just 40 and 41? Oh, well, okay. Mister, I got a lot. Yes, sir. All right, because I know sometimes when you hear the answer, you see what you did incorrectly, and you're like, oh, okay, I see where I went wrong. And that's fine also. And sometimes it's okay, let's work it out together. I need to see what I did wrong. And that's when you would tell me which numbers you want to go over in class. Louise, you don't have any one of them that you missed that you need for me to go over? Wow. Anyone at home? You guys have anyone from the book that you need me to go over? Type in the number, the exercise number. What's up? Don't pick something. Don't look for something just so you can say something. Because you like going through it. This is being serious. Don't waste time. You do the homework. We go over the answers. Then you see which ones you got wrong and still do not understand. You tell me the number of that problem and we go over it together. Yes, ma'am.
Number 42.
Say that again?
Number 42.
42 also? 40, 41, and 42. And is this it? Nothing at home? Okay. All right. So for number 40, oh, wait a second. These are all word problems. Were you guys using your step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 in order to solve it?
I did.
Say that again?
Like, when you say
When I say the answer is what happened?
how do you get a one without it?
All right, let's see what happened. All right, so number 40 reads, Paul is writing a story for the school newspaper about the landscaping done by his class. The students planted 15 vines, 12 hedges, 8 trees, and 35 flowering plants. How many plants were used in the project? All right, so we're solving a word problem. What's step 1 in solving a word problem? Class, what's step 1 in solving a word problem? Say what? If you guys say y'all used all 4 steps in solving a word problem, you guys should be able to like tell me this. What's step 1? Anyone at home want to help them out? Does not look like they do. What is the problem asking? Oh, that is step 1. What is the,
How many plants were used in the project?
say what now?
How many plants in the project?
How many plants in projects? What's step 2?
And what information is it given?
All right. Step 2 is what information is being given. What information do we see? And we're pulling out the number information. So, give me an information. 15 what? 15 vines, 12 hedges, 8 trees. 8 trees.
And 35 flower pits.
Yo, play it, don't do that. 8 trees and what? 35 flowers. What is step 3?
Figure out how or are you going to
How? Figure out how you're going to find the answer. All right. And how are we going to find the answer? Because they asked us how many plants in the project. So that means how many total. And how are we going to do everyone except for Riley? We're going to add Louise. Un momento. When I write, what do you do? When I write, what do you do? Louise, open your mouth and answer me, please. I need to understand that you understand me. Say what? Yes, you write. That means while I'm hopping up and down on this stool and reaching, because I'm vertically challenged, but I'm in my growth spurts, so I'm coming every day, just wait. You can actually sit there and reach over and write the same thing I'm writing. Because you don't have to do as much as I have to do in order to write. Right. Today, so there's no excuse. Write the notes. Sir, we're wrong. So which one? Do what you did the other day and come look over. It's fine. All right, step 3. Desmond and Riley said we're going to add. And step 4. Step 4, we're going to solve. All right, so when we are at step 4 and we're about to solve, we have to know how we are going to set it up. So what are we doing? We said that we have to add in order to get the answer, in order to find out how many plants were in the project. So what are we adding?
12 plus 15 plus 12.
Okay, we are learning together. We are not in a race. We are not battling at all. So we have 15 and then what?
Plus 12.
Plus 10.
Plus 8.
Plus 8.
Plus 35.
Plus 35. Now, we're doing the mental math thing. And what property can we use in order to get denominations of 10 where we could work with it easily? Yes, what property?
Are we gonna do declarative or
Declarative. This is not grammar.
declarative? Oh,
And if that was, if she did mean distributive, no, it's not distributive. Which property says that we're going to group differently? Which one is that? Yes, sir. Associative. Go ahead, boy. Yasmin, you came to class today. Better do it. All right. So we're going to group together. Which ones are we going to group together? 15 and what? 30, 15 and 35. And then what?
8 and 12.
12. We can go in order. 12 and 8. So we can look at this now and do it really fast. So we can say 15 plus 35. Mentally, what do we have? Okay, so this is what I taught 5th grade technique today. I'll teach it to you.
Yes.
Look at her, she's like, yes, I'm ready, teach it please. Okay, let's take a look over here, I'm gonna put it to the side. We have 15 plus 35. We got that. And what we could do in our head, because we be thinking like that, we could take the 5 from here. Let me get the black. We're gonna take the 5 from here, minus 5, so then this becomes 10. And then when we take that 5 from here, we add it here. So then that becomes what? That becomes 40. You see that?
Yes.
Okay, so we just moving numbers around. And then now we can say 10 plus 40 is 50. See how quickly it is? Good. All right, so we have 50. Then we have 12 plus 8. What's 12 plus 8?
20.
20. So 50 plus 20 equals 70. I thought we could do it all, probably just wrote the numbers incorrectly. But guess what? when you show your work, you are able to see what you did incorrectly. Because if she did not write her work down, if she did not show her work, would she be able to say, oh, okay, I see what I did wrong. I wrote the wrong number down. If you don't write the number down, there's nothing to look at. There's nothing to learn from. That's why I am not impressed with answers. I am impressed with work. Because I give you the answers anyway. All right. That was number 40. The next one is 41. Okay. 41 reads, the temperature on Sunday was 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is predicted to rise 4 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday, then rise 2 degrees Fahrenheit more on Tuesday, and then rise another 6 degrees Fahrenheit by Saturday. What is the predicted temperature on Sunday? Okay, what's step one? Okay, where's step one?
What is the predicted temperature on Saturday?
What is the what?
Predicted temperature on Saturday.
Saturday?
Yes.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is,
It says Saturday. It says Saturday.
it really does say Saturday. Did I read Sunday when it read Saturday?
It says the temperature.
On Sunday? My apologies. I did not read correctly. What is the temp? For Saturday. Okay. All right. What is, now step one. Step two, what's step two?
What information is given?
All right, what information is given? Red numbers, okay, which number?
15.
Wait, that's step two, 58, what?
58. Okay.
58, 58 degrees, obviously.
4 degrees.
4 degrees,
2 degrees.
2 degrees,
6 degrees.
6 degrees, anything else?
No.
All right. Step three,
Step 3.
what's step three? People, everyone, the whole class. Oh, you guys say you guys are gonna add?
Yes.
All right, what's step four?
Solve.
Solve. All right, so we have to set it up in order to solve. How, ooh, there. Step one. All right, how are we going to solve it? Let's set it up. Tell me what to write. How do we set it up?
58
plus
4.
58 plus 4,
Plus 2. Plus 6.
All right. Okay. So now, what property can we use, are we able to use in order to do that? A salty tip. And because we're going to do what?
And
Group differently. What can we group, to get denomination to 10? 58 plus what? 58 plus what?
58 plus 2.
Thank you, 58 plus 2. I ain't got nothing to say to Ariana today. 58 plus 2. And then what else?
4 plus 6.
4 plus 6. If you guys had gotten that 4 plus 6 wrong, boy, I think I might have to stop crying. Because those were the only two numbers left. Oh, okay. So, 58 plus 2 is what?
60.
And 4 plus 6 is?
10.
10. 60 plus 10 equals?
70.
So it's gonna be 7 degrees. I have on that today. What happened?
I wrote it a different way, but still got the same answer.
Did you guys do more work? That's the whole point, to do less work.
Okay.
All right, and now we're at 42.
42, yes.
Everybody, we're gonna make sure this chick earns her money today. All right. 42 reads, Janice wants to order this for her computer. She needs to find the total cost, including shipping and handling. If Janice orders 7 discs, what will her total cost be? All right. Say what?
So step one is going to be, what will the total cost be? What will her total cost be?
Okay, why y'all coming late? You already said it. Oh, and I put number 40, and that's number 41.
Yeah.
It is too early in the day for my brain to be going. Okay, what is the total cost? Okay. Step one. Yo, why am I tiptoeing on a step stool? And I'm like, and why am I tiptoeing on a step stool? Okay. Step 2.
What information is given?
All right. So what information is given?
7 days and $24.
7 dips,
And $24.
$24. What else? That's it?
That's it. I didn't say $7. I didn't say the price shipping and handling. I mean,
All right, someone said shipping, handling, $7. $7 shipping and all right. Anyway. What's step 3? We're gonna add in order to get it? All right.
Yeah.
What is step 4?
So.
Let me see what I get now. All right, so how are we gonna set it up in order to solve?
7 plus 4 plus 7.
Hold on. It's gonna be 7 plus what?
24 plus 7. No.
It reads, oh yay, it reaches. Go please. It reads, Janice wants to order this for her computer. She needs to find the total cost, including shipping and handling. If Janice orders 7 discs, how many discs is she ordering?
7.
How many?
7.
She's ordering 7 discs. If Janice orders 7 discs, what will her total cost be? Is it 7 plus? She orders 7 discs. On top of, look at this. Look at the label. It reads on top, description, computer disk. Number 7. Unit cost with tax, $24. What does unit cost mean?
With tax.
It means each. Each. And how many is Janice getting? Can I borrow this? Thank you. She's getting 7. So would we add or would we weigh? We would multiply. And what would we multiply?
7 times 24.
Say what?
7 times 24 times 7.
Okay, no. But anyway, we're gonna fix this. I wanted you guys to go through that process and get to the what portion. So step 3 is going to be multiply. Great job. multiply, and then what?
Add.
Then add. Some things call for two different methods. Who's talking while I'm talking? Because I heard someone else's voice. I'm hearing things. Okay. All right. And what are we multiplying?
7 times 24.
Say what?
7 times 24.
7 times 24. All right. 24 times 7. I'm going to do this so we can see it a little bit better. I am going to make this ticket. I think I got it. Oh, I don't have enough room. The description. Number. Unit cost. Price. Oh. And then we have ship and handling. And then we have total. They gave us computer disk. They gave us 7. They gave us $24. And they gave us $7. They want us to find price and what? Total price. Because I can see right now, while you guys are talking to me, this is kind of like us verbally showing our work. And when you're communicating with me and I could see, I could already start saying, wait a second, I noticed there's a problem. And the problem is that you guys are forgetting all of the information. This is part of the information. All right, so we said we're doing 24 times 7. All right, let's go ahead and do the price stack them ups. Oh, wait a second. Da-da-da, 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 da-da-da. 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is
28.
Carry the. When we are doing it together, I do not want you to answer anything I do not ask. You having the answer does not impress me. You participating with the class, and you answering when I ask a question, you answering specifically the question that I asked, that's what impresses me. You saying it with the class together impresses me. It does not impress me to hear you try to say it over everyone quickly. Okay. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. All right. So total price is, the price is what?
168.
168. Now what do we have to do? Plus what?
7.
Okay. Plus 7. So it's going to be 100. We're going to go ahead and add 7 down here. 168 plus 7. All right, 8 plus 7 is what?
15.
15 carries up.
1.
6 plus 1 is?
7.
1 plus nothing is?
1.
So our total cost is,
$175.
yes, $175. Okay, so you guys see how we did that? Are there any questions on that? All right, let's see, does anyone at home have any questions? Like anyone from the homework that you guys want me to go over? Malachi, I do not know what's going on. You typing gibberish. So help me out here. No, thank you, Renaya. So you have all of the answers correct. Okay. Now, and how did my shirt get all the way up there? And none of you guys even told me. Your shirt is really high. Okay. On this worksheet, did anyone have any questions? Any questions? Nope. All right. So we were able to do some mental math with properties. I worked with mental math. We worked really hard on order of operation yesterday. So now we're going to look at page 30. Go ahead and turn to page 30. Louise, what did I say? What did I say? Tell me what I said. Tell me what I said. Go ahead, tell me. What did I just say? Okay. All right, so we're gonna do, your job is to do page 30, numbers 1 through 20. Because guess what's coming up?
Okay, chapter 1.
It's a quiz. It's not a test. It's another one. Okay. All right, it's gonna be a quiz on these two. So when you look at page 30, you can see that it tells you 4, and that is the section. That is the section. So you go back to section 4 and see orders of operation. Then you see 5. That means that's section 5. So you go back in section 5 and see properties and mental math to help you get stuck. But then again, you have your great notes, you have your videos, so you have a lot of resources if you get stuck on what to do. So, are there any questions? All right, well then, let's get started with page 30, numbers 1 through 20. And we'll be ready for our quiz. And our quiz is coming tomorrow. And you're like, why are they saying yay? Well, because tomorrow's Friday. So therefore, if you have a quiz on Friday, do you have homework? No. No. Say that again? She said quizzes are fun. I really didn't hear what she said because she had a mask on, but that's what I'm going to say she said. All right, you guys. Have a great day. Bye. You guys want to say goodbye? Bye. 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 Did you just say I don't smell good? Oh yeah, I do too.